This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, a cheaper version of the original Osmo Mobile. So let's be quick here. Inside the box is a carrying case with the stabilizer and a micro USB charging cable. The case is not styrofoam, but it feels like it. It's more rigid and tough, kinda like a hard foam. My first impression is that the build of this stabilizer feels cheap. Everything is plastic and the handle is just a grippier plastic. The phone clamps are great. There's soft touch rubber inside and a space for the phone's side buttons. Also, there's a knob at the back for the phone's orientation. You can use the stabilizer with or without the DJI Go application, but it is needed to use the stabilizer's full functionality. So to balance the Osmo Mobile 2, just adjust the arm knob and the phone clamp until it balances like this without being turned on. It's just that simple. For example, if it moves to the right, adjust the arm a little bit to the left. Having a properly balanced stabilizer puts less strain to the gimbal motors, therefore it will have better stabilization and battery life. In addition to that, the phone clamps could be rotated according to the orientation you want your phone to be, whether it could be landscape or portrait. So here are the video modes available for the stabilizer paired with the DJI Go application. So pause the video if you like to read it or just take a screenshot. And here are the photo modes. Lastly, other options and more features. So what I love about this stabilizer is how optimized and well built DJI's software is than other manufacturers. All I can say is that this stabilizer is amazing. It is far from perfect. It's almost the same like other mobile stabilizers. There are no special features to distinguish it from other manufacturers like the Moza Mini's Inception mode. So product links are in the description below. I would really appreciate it if you use my referral links for buying this product, since it will help me keep running this channel and fund my college studies. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to comment about your thoughts about this device, or if you have any questions, just comment it below and I'll reply. Cheers!